You can save tons of time with Audacity macro and get better sound in a single click. We will see a single click solution and judge. I will select this raw recording and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, I will select a macro to add the kind of improvement I want. I will show you in a moment where you can get all these amazing macros. I will select Apple Podcast Improvement. The audio has become improved in a single click. Let's listen to the original and improved audio.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data.
It is quite an improvement with just a single click. The installation process of these macros is quite simple. Go to Tools, Macro Manager. Click on Import. After downloading the macros, you will get some TXT files. Each file represents a separate macro. Select a macro and open. You have to install all the macros one by one. There are 11 macros, and from the name, you can guess the type of improvement it does. You can get these macros from this Buy Me a Coffee page. Details and instructions are given in the description. I will show feedback from a user of this macro. Kevin Henry is using the macro and said this. Everything went well for me. Saved me tons of time. If you purchase the macros, you can get a custom macro for your audio if you want. If you want to add a noise reduction process to the macro, I can also do that. I will just need an audio sample from you. 20 people are already taking advantage of this macro to save their time. Join them to save your time and eliminate worries about getting a better audio.